I'm ancient.
What ancient means?
Ancient means that okay, technically. Okay, I'm gonna ask a question. If theoretically, Raura, we would freeze you right now and then we would let you be frozen for like 1,000 years. Does it make you old, or are you still the age that you were when you were frozen?
It means that I'm old.
Ancient.
Old.
Ancient. This
means
You
you're
know what?
old.
It's not a big deal. Like,
ancient.
it's not a big deal.
Ancient.
It's not a big deal being old. It's okay.
Ancient.
It's not a big deal. Like,
Ancient.
it's not a big deal.
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 Ancient.
It's not a big deal being old. It's okay.
Ancient.
Yanchi and D4, thank you for the support. I am fine with pineapple on pizza. I don't think it's a big deal. 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 I can't do anchovies though. Sorry, anchovy people. Is this still the tutorial? When do we start making like French fries and stuff?
I think we already got over the part. I feel like we're in the real deal now. Real deal now. Real deal now. Real deal now.
When you're level 2, bro. Oh.
Okay, I got you. Order up.
Misty Mountain gaming products include a lifetime guarantee on all the dice they produce. If one chips, breaks or shatters, they will happily replace it for just the price of shipping the replacement. Lifetime guarantees. Lifetime guarantee! Isn't that crazy? What a deal! What a deal! What a deal! What a deal! What a deal!
Yeah, so I think the pre-order link... So, I downloaded Love in Deep Space recently. I'm getting FOMO. I want a gacha game to play. And then it's like embarrassing me because it's a first-person POV and they're all 3D. And then they do like subtle movements with their hands. I'm like, stop! Don't get close to me! I like making characters, like, I don't self-insert often. There's these usually I make in OC because I want to experience a story from another character's point of view, and I don't want it to be me. Random OC that's cooking in my head, brewing in my head. But it's making me uncomfortable when the guys go really close to the screen. Stop it! Don't touch me! And then one of the guys, everyone loves him. His name is Silas. That's why I'm like, okay, what's the big deal about Silas? 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 I have to find out why everyone I know is obsessing over Silas. Because I see a lot of people on my TL, they're like, I love Silas, and I'm playing it, and he calls you Kitten and Sweetie unironically, and I'm like, oh, I don't think I'm strong enough for this.
Okay, you
Just
know what? I have an idea. Next time.
Yeah?
Liz, I have a wish, Liz.
What's your wish?
Liz, next time will you also try a cat food?
No!
Liz, as my one wish.
Can you have a different wish, please?
Liz, please.
No!
Cece, you should eat cat food.
Why would I eat cat food? That's disgusting.
I love that.
Okay,
Yeah,
so we have it on camera. Liz, you will eat a piece of cat food if I take you out for dinner.
If we're all eating it, maybe.
Yeah, we're all together. It's not just you.
We all 3, 2, 1 eat cat food.
I'm not gonna eat cat food again.
Why?
Okay, well, you and Gigi are eating cat food. Okay, Liz.
What if I swallowed it like a tablet?
Too.
What did you say, Liz?
I said, what if I just swallowed it like a duck? Would that count?
That counts, that counts. I'm not gonna criticize your way of eating cat food. As long as it ends up in your tummy.
Okay, maybe.
Yay, deal! It's a deal! Yay, deal! It's a deal! Yay, deal! It's a deal! Yay, deal! It's a deal!
Here's the deal.
Oh, no.
What about Cece's cat food?
Anyways, look, next picture.
Wait, she has to eat cat food too.
You said we'd all eat cat food. That was part of mine.
Will tell you the same. You can't just ignore people that say mean things to you in the real world. You gotta deal with them. And man... You gotta deal with them. You gotta deal with them. You gotta deal with them. And man...
I guess the only thing I would want... I don't think I deal any status effects. I don't think I deal any status effects. I don't think I deal any status effects. I don't think I deal any status effects.
Weapons trader. I deal in weapons if you're interested in that type of thing. I deal in weapons if you're interested in that type of thing. I deal in weapons if you're interested in that type of thing. I deal in weapons if you're interested in that type of thing. What kind of weapons? I rebuild and repair.
Oh. Careful. Careful, careful. I told you to do one thing! Oh, I told you to do one thing! Careful, you didn't even do that! Stop laughing at me! Stop laughing at me! Okay, while it laughs, I'm going to go to an idle meeting. I'm more mature, so I'm gonna step away for a second and come back and deal with this guy, okay? 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 Maybe he'll stop laughing by the time I'm back. 1 second. I told you to do one thing! Oh, I told you to do one thing! Careful, you didn't even do that! I told you to do one thing! Oh, I told you to do one thing! Careful, you didn't even do that! I told you to do one thing! Oh, I told you to do one thing! Careful, you didn't even do that! I told you to do one thing! Oh, I told you to do one thing! Careful, you didn't even do that!
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop, it's called Not Just Ice, haha, yeah!